Asia's a very big place.
We were hoping you'd hold on to this for reference. We're here because Frank is going to fight in the Kumite. We got to start. The Kumite? Yes.
Inspector Chen, we all know that the Kumite is happening here in Hong Kong, and we all know what's going on in the next 3 days. But I don't need to know that's the truth. It's not just that it's all right. It's too much fun. Here, we just have to be inspector. We're all over the world. Let's see what we can do.
You come upstairs with me for an interview. You want to say no? What did you call me?
Leave the girl alone. He's the American shit who makes fix with pills.
As the Kumite starts one day early, she has No. She's coming with me at 6.
If we have to fight for her, then both of us will be thrown out of the Kumite. Just for her, we could arrange this another way. You then,
What is that?
you hold this. If I can grab it before you close your hand, I get the girl. If I cannot, she's yours.
Very good.
Just relax.
She's from the